Right now, as you watch this video, the tech industry is hiding a massive shift. While 99% of the world is still playing around with basic AI chatbots to write emails, a quiet, dangerous revolution is happening in autonomous software engineering. We are breaking the simulation. This is Tech Vighnesh, and today we go deeper than the surface. I decided to push this technology to its absolute limit. I took 3 highly specialized autonomous AI agents, locked them inside an isolated virtual container, gave them a complex production-ready software project, and left the server running for 24 hours straight. No breaks, no human supervision, just raw computational loops. Will they build a fully functional application, or will they hallucinate, get stuck in an infinite loop, and crash my entire server architecture? Let's look at the data. To understand this experiment, we first need to look at how an agentic workforce actually operates. Unlike standard large language models where you have to manually prompt every single step, an agentic framework works completely on autonomy. For this simulation, I used CrewAI integrated with LangChain to orchestrate 3 distinct AI personas. Agent 1 was the product manager, powered by Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Its job was to break down my single high-level prompt into a strict modular technical architecture. Agent 2 was the lead developer, powered by GPT-4o. It took those exact specifications to set up the repository and write the back-end and front-end code. Finally, Agent 3 was the QA engineer. Its only mission was to relentlessly break the developer's code by running automated testing loops. The mission was clear: build a full-stack, real-time AI analytics dashboard from scratch. I hit enter, started the clock, and walked away. During the first 3 hours, the efficiency was terrifying. If you asked a human software team to build this project, the first 3 hours would be entirely wasted on Zoom meetings, architecture arguments, and setting up project boards. But here, there was zero friction. The product manager agent generated a flawless markdown file outlining the database schema, API endpoints, and UI wireframes in exactly 45 seconds. By hour 4, the developer agent was spawning child processes, setting up a Node.js backend, and initializing a React frontend. The sheer speed of execution was unparalleled. I genuinely thought human developers were officially obsolete. But then hour 7 arrived, and the system went dark. This is the exact moment where the experiment took a chaotic turn, revealing the dark side of autonomous software engineering. The developer agent introduced a minor syntax error in an updated dependency file. When the QA agent ran the test script, it naturally failed. The QA agent generated an error log and sent it back to the developer. The developer read the log, tried to patch it, but made a separate logical error. The QA agent rejected it again. Suddenly, they got caught in what engineers call a context window hallucination loop. Instead of looking at the root cause, the AI agents started arguing with each other through back-end metadata. The developer agent kept trying to solve the problem using deprecated code libraries from years ago, while the QA agent kept rejecting it for the exact same reason. For 6 straight hours, my server was running at 99% CPU utilization. The tokens were burning. They weren't building software anymore. They were stuck in a digital purgatory, executing the exact same broken loop thousands of times. By hour 18, the framework's internal maximum iteration limit saved the entire project. The developer agent automatically cleared its short-term memory, completely resetting its local context window. With a clean state, it reanalyzed the codebase, found the faulty dependency, stripped it entirely, and replaced it with a clean native solution. The last 4 hours were a relentless, optimized sprint. When the 24-hour countdown clock finally hit 0, I logged back into the server virtual machine to inspect the final build. What I saw genuinely shocked me. On my screen was a pristine, fully responsive, dark-themed analytics dashboard. The data fetching mechanisms were functional, the state management was highly optimized, and the UI layout looked like it was designed by a high-end Silicon Valley product team. It wasn't just working code, it was exceptionally clean, production-ready architecture. So, what is the honest, unhyped takeaway from this 24-hour experiment? Are human developers completely done? The answer is no. AI agents are not going to replace senior software engineers who understand product architecture, critical thinking, and complex system design. When the AI got stuck in that hallucination loop, it required programmatic safety guardrails to stop it from burning through thousands of dollars in API credits. AI completely lacks human intuition. However, if you are a junior developer whose only skill is copy-pasting basic boilerplate code from Stack Overflow, your time is extremely limited. What used to take a team of 3 entry-level devs a whole week to build, these autonomous agents built in less than a day for a fraction of the cost. The future doesn't belong to the AI alone, nor does it belong to the traditional human coder. The future belongs to the Centaur developer, the human who knows exactly how to orchestrate, manage, and debug armies of AI agents. The code is evolving. The question is, are you evolving with it? I am creating a highly exclusive circle of tech builders who want to master this future before everyone else. If you want the exact orchestration configuration prompts, system specs, and tools I use for this experiment, I am sharing them directly inside my official Tech Vighnesh WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description below. Join the inner circle right now so you never fall behind the simulation. Drop a comment with your thoughts, hit that subscribe button to join the movement, and I will see you in the next simulation.